Today, we're going to see the production process of rollers and belt tensioners. Let's start. $1 million to the car owner who has not had problems with the timing belt or one of the multi-ribbed belts driving the alternator, the power steering pump, or the air conditioning unit. Disturbing rattling or whistling sounds may suggest that it's time to hand over the car to a professional mechanic. Correct belt position and tension are necessary, but this is the job of rollers and belt tensioners. Today, we are visiting a Polish manufacturer of elements which are of great importance for the functioning of car engines. Caffaro in Słonowice, which within 13 years has built the position of the market leader in producing roller and tensioner substitutes in Europe. Caffaro was established in 2008. It is an entirely Polish family company. Since its incorporation, our assumption has been to produce cheaper substitutes of original rollers of a very good quality and at an affordable price. We managed to achieve this goal by investing in quality, proper machines, but most of all, in people who create this quality. Firstly, we are visiting the technical department, which deals with customer inquiries. A prototype is prepared on a 3D printer for each new project. Once approved, the model enters the production. What does a belt tensioner consist of? Its most important element include an arm, rollers, and bearing covers. The arm is laser cut from sheet metal. Metal rollers are prepared in the CNC machining machines department. Approximately 300 models of base rollers are produced here, but thanks to various equipment systems, as many as several hundred different types of final products can be configured. Here we see the processing of the main sleeve. The hole for the bearing is made with an accuracy of 1/100th of a millimeter. The finished detail is marked so that it can be identified at a later stage. Distance sleeves made of steel bars are also prepared on CNC bar machines. Plastic rolls are prepared in the department of injection molding machines, using polyamide granules with an admixture of glass fibre, i.e. materials with very high resistance to wear and tear. Once plasticized, the material is injected into the mould in which the bearing was previously placed. Another injection moulding machine produces bearing housings protecting them against external factors such as water or sand that will significantly extend the roller lifetime. The operation of the tool room is of great importance. Here, injection moulds are constantly regenerated, and new moulds are prepared for the production of introduced models of rolls. All parts manufactured in the production plant, as well as those ordered from external suppliers, enter the warehouse, in which kits necessary to assemble rollers and tensioners are assembled. Ready-made sets are sent to the assembly stations. A mounting sleeve is placed in the tensioner arm, to which the roller is attached. Then it is clamped on the press. Finally, the bearing housing is put on. Small parts are collected from each batch and tested in the laboratory. They are measured on many levels. Additionally, selected elements are inspected using laser scanning and compared with the CAD model. In addition, a digital model of the manufactured item is created. Thanks to the machine designed by Caffaro, it is also possible to simulate the conditions prevailing in the engine compartment. Our visit at Caffaro is slowly coming to an end. The company has IATF certificate confirming its high quality, which makes it possible to deliver products to leading manufacturers in the automotive industry. Currently, our offer includes over 1,100 types of rollers and tensioners, which are applied in the most popular car brands around the world. Production planned for this year amounts to over 2 million units. A half of these 2 million rollers and tensioners are manufactured as private labels, while the rest is produced for the world's renowned spare parts manufacturers. In this industry, quality matters. So the business is rolling.